Welcome to our next poetry lesson, friends. Today we are going to continue learning about farm animal sounds. It looks like part of our poem is missing. Can you help me complete our poem? Good. I'm so glad that I can count on your help. I'm going to need that in just a moment. But before we do that, I thought this would be a great time to review the song that we learned in music on Wednesday called Come and See My Animal Farm, because it's all about animal sounds. That's right, friends. Do you remember the 4 animals that are sung about in the song that we learned on Wednesday? The first is the rooster. Next is the cow. Then the horse. Then the duck. And then the horse. All right, friends, let's practice singing our Animal Farm song with those animal sounds, and then we will complete our poem and do some sorting together. All right, let's see if we can remember. Remember, we're talking about tempo. In this song, our tempo will be going from slow to fast. All right, let's start. Come and see my animal farm, my animal farm, my animal farm. Come and see my animal farm, where you can find a rooster. The rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Come and see my animal farm, my animal farm, my animal farm. Come and see my animal farm, where you can find a cow. Here we go. The cow says moo, moo, moo. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Now the tempo's gonna go a little bit faster. Ready? Come and see my animal farm, my animal farm, my animal farm. Come and see my animal farm, where you can find a duck. Yes! The duck says quack, 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 quack. The cow says moo, moo, moo. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. All right, friends, the last animal is the horse. Let's do it even faster tempo. Come and see my animal farm, my animal farm, my animal farm. Come and see my animal farm, where you can find a horse. The horse says neigh, neigh. The duck says quack, 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 quack. The cow says moo, moo, moo. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Good job, friends. I love how you increased your tempo with me and went from slow to fast. And we did a great job practicing a few of our animal sounds. Okay, now that we reviewed some of those, I need your help finishing this poem. Let's start. In the big red barn, all the animals chatter. So many sounds, so much clatter. Oink, oink, says the... What animal says oink? The pig! That's right. Oink, oink, says the pig. Woof, woof, says the dog. Yes. Meow, meow, says the... What do you think? Cat. That's right. Bleat, bleat, says the... Do you remember the sound from last time in our guessing game? Yes, bleating is the sound that goats make. Okay, moo, moo, says the cow. Good job, friends. Chirp, chirp, says the chick. We're almost done. Cluck, cluck, says the... What do you think? You think it's a rooster or a hen? It's a hen. That's right. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Like we just sang about. Couple more left. Quack, quack, says the... What do you think? Duck or horse? Yes, duck. And last, neigh, neigh, says the Wonderful job completing our farm animal sounds poem. Are you ready to do some sorting now? All right, let's get a new piece of paper here. We are sorting today farm animals from animals that live in other homes. So we're going to put all of our farm animals here, and all our non-farm animals, animals that do not live on a farm, will go over on this pink pocket chart. All right, friends. Okay, now we're just going to do a few today because we're going to sort some more next week, this coming week. So I'm going to give you a couple choices. I'm going to hold up an animal and I want you to tell me farm or not farm. Where do they live? Are you ready? Let's try. Okay, first one. Let's go for the chick. We had some of these visit us at school. Do chicks live on a farm? Yes or no? Yes, they do. We have them at our school because they are farm animals. All right, let's try another one. A shark. Can a shark live on a farm? No, it needs to live in the ocean. You're so right. Okay, what about my favorite animal, friends? Elephants. Are elephants farm animals or not farm animals? What do you think? You're right, they're not farm animals. You know why? Because they need a lot of space, friends. So they like to live on the savannah or on the plains in India. All right, friends, let's try another one. How about a goat? I think I remember talking about a goat recently in our farm animal poem. So yes, goats are farm animals. All right, let's do a couple more. What about penguins? Would you see a penguin on a farm? Yes or no? No, we would not see a penguin on a farm. They need to be in cold weather. All right, let's do one more, friends. What about a little pig? Would we see a pig on a farm? Yes, so we're going to put the pig on our farm animal side. Friends, thank you so much for learning with us about farm animals. This has been a fabulous unit, and I've loved learning with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.